Hello folks, this is Fred Levi, the instructor for your course for today. And today we're going to talk about Credit Repair Organizations Act, Section 1679E, your right to cancel a contract. So in this section we're going to talk about the right to cancel a contract from your client's perspective. So in general, any consumer may cancel any contract with any credit repair organization without penalty or obligation by notifying the credit repair organization of the consumer's intention to do so at any time before midnight of the third business day, which begins after the date on which the contract or agreement between the consumer and the credit repair organization is executed or would, but for this subsection, become enforceable against the parties. Cancellation form and other information. Each contract shall be accompanied by a form in duplicate which has the heading Notice of Cancellation and contains in bold-faced type the following statement. You may cancel this contract without any penalty or obligation at any time before midnight of the third day which begins after the date the contract is signed by you. To cancel this contract, mail or deliver a signed, dated copy of this cancellation notice or any other written notice to, and then they would put the name of your company and your address before midnight on, and whatever that date is, 3 days after they signed. I hereby cancel this transaction. They would need to date and sign it. And a consumer copy of contract is required. Any consumer who enters into any contract with any credit repair organization shall be given by the organization a copy of the completed contract and the disclosure statement required under Section 1679C of this title, and a copy of any other documents the credit repair organization requires the consumer to sign at the time the contract or other document is signed. So just keep these things in mind. Make sure you get that right to cancel the contract out to your clients prior to starting services with them.